What is up, my dudes? And that one girl is just very concerned about tushy comfort. I got you covered, one girl. This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos are coming weekly. Ring that bell, you know when they drop. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on a Cardo communicator or save some money on some Beyond Riders gear or on some Hogworks gear? Then you should definitely check my referral links down below. Want to support me in all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Boom! Then you should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, today's video kind of starts that up, so you can do that, or you can click on that video down below that's next to the 10,000 Amazon links that also go to a good cause. Either way, you're about to be informed. Get it, got it, cool, let's move on. Alright guys, so today we are officially kicking off the 19th annual CHS Toy Drive. And I can't think of a better way to do this than with Saddlemen Seats as our first raffle giveaway. So before we get into the raffle, the giveaway, the details, Saddlemen Seats, all that fun stuff, I do want to say that the CHS Toy Drive is something I've been doing for the last 19 years. It benefits Amoskeag Health in Manchester, New Hampshire, most specifically the Child Health Services, as it was known when I went there as a child. It is now the Dr. Selma Deitch Community Health Center. Dr. Deitch was my physician growing up, all the way until the time that I was 18. Child Health Center, which I will forever know it as and refer to it as, is the Community Health Center, Manchester, New Hampshire, that helps out families in need, most specifically in pediatrics. It was founded by Dr. Selma Deitch. She did so much to help me actually develop into a semi-normal human being. So this entire toy drive has been something that I have been doing where I just want to give back and help keep her memory alive. Now, down in the description of this video, you're going to see a GoFundMe link. And over the next few weeks, I've got some really cool giveaways that are going to be coming out, including the one that we're doing today. But of course, you don't even have to partake in the giveaways. If you just want to do something cool for somebody in need, feel free to go down to that link and just donate a couple dollars. Even $1 helps. $1 is more than I had yesterday, and everything that I raise is going into buying toys. I do not have employees. I'm not taking a cut. It is just the GoFundMe does their little fee, and then the rest goes to toys. I take a day off, I go, I buy all of these toys, and I deliver them same day. If you've kept up with me for any amount of years, you've seen that I've done this year after year, and it has gone bigger and bigger each time. Normally what I try and do is keep the toys around like $10, $20, and then I also like to get some bikes and stuff in there as well towards the end of my shopping spree. But I want to make sure that I'm covering all different age groups, boys, girls, just making sure that there's something for everyone in there. And I just try and mix it up as much as possible and make sure that families who may not have money or maybe a little hard pressed to actually get some gifts for their kids this year have something to put under the tree for those kids. That is what we are doing. So with that being said, let's get into Saddlemen Seats, let's get into this raffle, and let's just talk about Saddlemen overall and why you should be excited about this and why you should definitely enter to win a Saddlemen Seat. All right, so first and foremost, I have been using Saddlemen for well over 10 years. I absolutely swear by them. I love them. Anytime you see pictures of my bikes, you are seeing Saddlemen Seats on there, any of my videos, anything like that. When I'm doing my long distance trips, 9 times out of 10 on the Road Glide, I have a road sofa on there with a backrest. On my Sportster, I have a profiler seat on there. And the newest seat to my stable is actually this one. We're gonna use the Skycam for this. This is the Krew Moto Pro Series seat. It uses a carbon fiber style saddle hide. You can see that right there. Helps to reflect heat and all that, keeps the seat somewhat cool, comfortable, all that fun stuff. I have personally never had an issue with my seat burning me up. Some of you may have. I know some of you live in much hotter climates, so, you know, whatever. What interested me about this seat specifically was I really like this cutout here. You know, guys, I'm sure you can appreciate having that little extra space right there. You know what I'm talking about. And it has not disappointed. For me, this is a great seat if I'm going out for a day ride, if I'm going out and just crushing miles around town. Specifically, I really wanted this seat because I have a pretty sick backrest that I like to use in the summer. And my road sofa has a much wider passenger seat on it, so that sissy bar kind of like squishes into it and it just doesn't look right. So I like to swap out to this seat just to kind of make sure all the line work is where it needs to be and the bike looks as cool as it can be, honestly. Now, for those of you not familiar with Saddlemen, and overall, I feel like this is a rare sort of person in general, just because Saddlemen has been around for so long and they really have made their mark in the motorcycle industry. Let's cover a few different things. First and foremost, Saddlemen is designed and built in the USA, so these are American-made seats. If that's what you are looking for, that's what you are going to get with these seats. Saddlemen has a ton of different styles. Again, this is a Krew style seat. I have the road sofa, I've got a profiler. One of their more popular ones is called the Step Up. They have a lot of different options. They have solo seats, they have 2-ups, they have 2-piece seats. They have a ton of different colors and it comes in a couple different materials, so they do use leather on some of their seats. This one in particular is using saddle hide, which is a marine grade vinyl. Both the saddle hide and the leather have some nice color options too, so you don't even have to slap a black seat onto your bike. They have browns, they have reds, they have white, yellow. Check out their site. There's a lot of different options. They give you a lot of great options to customize your seat. From stitching on my Saddlemen, on my Sportster, it's all purple stitched. On my Road Glide, that road sofa is all red stitched. They give you a lot of great options for finishes on the seat as well. Again, this has like that carbon fiber sort of style on it. They have a lattice stitch, they have a tuck and roll, they have more of a classic style. There are a lot of cool stitch patterns, a lot of cool just finishes overall to really make these seats your own. And of course, with Saddlemen, what they are known for is their saddle gel, which is a medical grade gel pad that is inside these seats. What that does is it helps reduce vibration. It takes a little bit of that pressure off your lower spine. It makes your ride more comfortable for many more miles. So if you're doing something like crushing a 1K in a day, these seats are gonna make it more comfortable for you to do that. That is why I've got my road sofa. I pop that on and 1,000 miles, here we come. All right, so with all that said, the fine folks over at Saddlemen have offered up a free seat for my raffle to raise money for toys. Now I keep saying a free seat, but what seat? Well, that is the cool part. So Saddlemen actually makes seats for 10 major brands. I encourage you to go over to the Saddlemen site, check out their whole list, see if your bike is on there, and then see what kind of seats are offered for your bike. We're talking Harley, Indian, Kawasaki, Honda. Like, they have options. Check it out. See if they make one for you. And then if they do, come back and enter this raffle. They are going to let you choose the seat you want. Now, there are a few stipulations here. You cannot get a heated seat, you can't get the backrests, and it has to be in the continental US. So if you want to go get a step-up seat, if you want to get a road sofa, if you want to get one of these Krew seats, if you want to get the profiler, if you want to get a solo seat, those are all up for grabs. Just check it out, find the seat that fits your bike, come back and enter the raffle, and you could win a brand new Saddlemen seat delivered right to your door from Saddlemen directly. All right, so how do you enter? That's really easy. Again, go down to the description section. You're going to see the GoFundMe link. In the GoFundMe link, you're going to click on there. You're going to donate at least $25. Now, GoFundMe may ask you to pick up the service fees. You are going to say yes. You have to donate at least $25 to be entered. So if you donate $25 and they take $2 out for their service fee, you're not entered. That's why you're picking up those service fees. Overall, I think it's like 1 or 2%, so literally you're looking at about $1 or $2. Every $25 you donate is going to get you 1 entry. If you donate $100, which is 4 entries, I'll give you a 5th one free. So for every $100, you get 5 entries instead of 4 entries. Again, pick up those service fees. Now, as I said, there's going to be multiple raffles over the next couple weeks. So I do need you to do something for me so I know that you are entered into the Saddlemen Seat. When you make that donation, GoFundMe does allow you to leave a comment for me. In that comment section, you are going to put Saddlemen. That's it. So you donate at least $25 after fees, and you put Saddlemen in the comments, you are entered. That's it. You have until December 10th to make your entries. And then on December 12th, I am going to be announcing the winner. And then we are going to get you set up. So Saddlemen is going to build your seat and ship it right to your doorstep. Once again, continental US only. Sorry, UK viewers, Australia viewers, whatever. This is just a US promotion, which is understandable. These seats get delivered in fairly large boxes. Saddlemen is doing me a really big solid by letting me offer this up altogether. I can imagine it gets pretty expensive to be shipping these around the world. And just lastly, overall, this year, it's going to be rough, quite honestly, for this toy drive. I've spent a lot of time going into stores, looking at a lot of the stuff that I bought last year, and prices have doubled on a lot of this stuff. Things that I was buying for like $10 last year is now $20 or $25, which means for every toy that I buy this year, I could have bought 2 last year. So that's why we're starting this early this year. And that's why I really need your help, and why I'm saying like even $1 helps. If you don't want the seat, if you just want to help out, throw $1, $5, whatever. I'd more than appreciate that. And I know with everyone's help, just like the past 18 years, we're going to crush this. We're going to make this an awesome year, and we are going to deliver. But again, it involves us all coming together and doing this together. So help a brother out. All right, guys, that's what I've got. What do you got? Did you win one of my raffles in the last couple of years? Sound off in the comments down below. Let people know that these are legit. And do you own a Saddlemen seat? If not, here's your chance. And make sure you like, comment, donate, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude you know who's still on a stock seat crying about it. Now he doesn't have to be. He loves this stuff, trust me. And I'll see you all on the flip side.